because it's rooted in, of course, our favorite halo-halo with my own twist. So, what I do, kasi normally, nasanay tayo ng halo-halo natin, ang yellow natin ay tubig, di ba? So, what I do, especially in Amidobo, you can get this in Amidobo, yung ice pa lang yung flavor niya.
Oh, okay, so it's not just water.
Yes. So this is a mixture of coconut milk and evaporated milk.
Ooh.
So it's very creamy. So kahit matunaw siya, hindi siya parang lasang tubig.
Correct, okay.
So, ako kasi, pag naghahalo-halo ako, I only put what I like. So I don't like beans, I don't like, marami akong hindi gusto sa halo-halo. So dahil na ako gumawa sa hindi ko halo-halo, this is very special because I only added what I really like in a halo-halo.
Okay, what is it that you like?
So, I love nata de coco. So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago, and this is, ito yung mga recipes na galing ko, dishes na galing sa amin doon is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba,
Okay.
and sweetened kamote, and black sesame polvoron, and cream cheese leche flan.
Wow, parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya
So,
nag-viral.
inandaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay, pero I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet, salty talaga.
Yes!
Oh, yes.
So,
I love
yun
that.
yung talaga. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matamis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Ay, hindi tayo maumay. We can have more.
So, isuot mo na natin itong ating here.